for ant. B is for ball. B is for bat. C is for cat. C is for car. D is for duck. D is for drum. E says E. E is for elephant. E is for egg. F is for fairy. F is for fish. G is for goat. G is for guitar. H is for hen. H is for horse. I is for igloo. I is for ice cream. J is for jackal. J is for jelly. K is for kitten. Is for kitten. K is for kitten. L is for lamb. L is for leaf.
M is for moon. M is for monkey.
N is for nest. N is for noodles. O is for orange. O is for octopus.
P is for panda. Is for penguin.
Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. R is for rabbit. R is for rainbow. S is for star. S is for smile. T is for tiger. T is for train.
U is for unicorn. U is for uniform.
V is for vulture. V is for violin. W is for wolf. W is for watermelon. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Z is for zipper. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?